Hello kids. Welcome to PS classes. Our objective is to create love for education. Let's begin with the video.
Hello students, today we will learn the sound of M as in map. Now we will see some of the examples. M says M as in map. M says M as in mask. M says M as in mice. M says M as in mirror. M says M as in monkey. M says M as in moon. M says M as in broom. M says M as in clam. M says M as in drum. M says M as in farm. M says M as in gem. M says M as in jam. Now we will see the initial position. M says M as in map. Map. M says M as in mask. Mask. M says M as in mice. Mice. M says M as in mirror. Mirror. M says M as in monkey. Monkey. M says M as in moon. Moon. Final position. M says M as in broom. Broom. M says M as in clam. Clam. M says M as in drum. Drum. M says M as in farm. Farm. M says M as in jam. Jam. M says M as in jam. Jam.